Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan. Ryan, look over there, honey. Look over there.
Guys, over here. Look.
Easter Bunny came.
Do you want to look? Look at all the candy. And look, a book. And a book for you, Ryan. Yes. And who's that?
Is a book of ducks?
What's his name?
Quack, quack. A doggy? Wow. They're bunnies.
Yes. Here's your bunny, Ryan.
Your bunny. Yes, your bunny.
Well, that's Daddy's basket. This is your basket, Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
And then look. There's
So much. Oh my goodness. Isn't the Easter Bunny nice?
here.
Yes, it's
Yes.
yours. M&M's.
Do you think this bunny will like your friends? M&M's are in there.
Children.
You're going to eat all of them? When? You're going to eat all the M&M's? Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
You're not going to share? Oh, you will share? Oh, that's nice of you, Matthew. What's that? Turn it around. Look. It's chocolate.
Ooh, a chocolate bunny.
Where'd you put your basket?
It's right over here, right in front of Daddy.
Yeah, you guys gotta...
No, that's Ryan's.
Why?
Because you get